to go and acquire the prophetic gift or the prophetic anointing, as they call it.
I don't believe this guy. All the name he mentioned, or the title, Dark Lord and Dark Lord of Benin, he just made it up, just to make the servant of God discredited. So don't believe this guy. He is a fraud. This guy is a fraud, I tell you. And if you continue believing this guy, you will also be judged, because this guy can consult the enemy or the magician, like Darren Brown, like those who are discrediting the miracle of God upon the servant of God in the United States. They consult Darren Brown.